Welcome. My name is Dafna, and today I want to talk about the magic of you. You are here to experience joy, to be seen, to be appreciated, to be deeply held and loved, celebrated for the magic that you are. Life is a little messy at this time. I invite you to a moment with me, because life is also precious. And right now, it's hard to see that. Maybe you noticed in life that as you hear something, you have an inner compass, a built-in antenna that gauges what feels genuine and warms your heart. The way your breath is and how your body feels is a great gauging mechanism. So just for a short moment, consider my proposition here. And it's not some sort of a lofty idea. The mystery is part of life, even if some of us feel uncomfortable with the unknown. But let me speak of you. You, inside of you, stream billion star particles, and you were born to be here now, regardless of the way the world looks or feels like at the moment. Our world is going through a major redesign, so radical it can be, it is, overwhelming at moments and quite intense. And the bubbling creation that has been seeded and cultivated by many that see the preciousness of human life as a divine pathway. Many are here shaking the ground, some in more visible ways, others in meditations or prayer, dance and song. Many pathways are available to shapeshift our collective poles. Humanity is changing in profound ways. We are coming back home into the heart's domain as the central axis of life, as the true north and the lighthouse that is shining brightly, guiding the way for a life that is deeply fulfilling, a life where we thrive and share this human experience in communities, a life that is rooted in each one of us, honoring our true gifts and sharing our hearts deeply, coming back to a deep sense of belonging, of connecting, of dancing with life. This one life, although a speck within a continual time-space suspension, this life is not meaningless, and you, yes you are far from insignificant. You are a spark of the divine, of God, whatever you assign to in your beliefs. That source that created everything we see and touch, and beyond that, including you. You sparked out of that source in a unique form like no other. Just like snowflakes are unique, each one of us is a precious luminous thread, an iteration of that source, God, divine, weaved together into the tapestry of life, into the one tribe of humanity. We came here to dance with creation for a while, to expand and remember our divinity, to reclaim our humanity, to remember we all came from the one. And humanity is standing at a new frontier. We have walked through much sorrows, sufferings, war, generational traumas, so much division. We also walked through much beauty. Still, the state of affairs at the moment may seem dire. Yet remember, the buds have been seeded for long-held prophecies that have been passed down by our ancestors and ancient ones, and they are nearing their time. Everything in creation is weaved through time-space, held in suspension, waiting for our inner glory to awaken and for new life to spring from the ashes of the old ways. Reclaim inspiration in life, because it's really important not to forsake our deepest yearnings and passions, especially now. You are a flower that needs more than water. Find a way to dance in life, in your own unique way. Discover what makes you feel alive, right here and now. Make sure you make room for that in your life, because you are precious, and life doesn't wait for some other day. It's here now. Open your heart to it. It's your inner treasure, your heart. It always supports your joy, and it's the wisest, most beautiful part of you. Have courage to love yourself and others, because loving is our medicine, especially in a world where so much makes no sense. Be kind and see how that begins to seep into life, yours and others. Let yourself rest. Relinquish your worries. They just drain your life. No one changes anything by worry. Your energy and life force can be directed in other places. Just consider that. I feel for us, and I hope that somehow you feel my heart. I know pain. I know loss. I know the depth of despair. I know how isolating and confusing life can be. You are not alone. I see heart warriors rising. We are so powerful when we gather our energies to build our vision rather than waste it on what we want to see change. Know that we are moving through restructuring, the falling away of what we knew may be uncomfortable, yet what awaits us is coming, and it is glorious. We are restoring harmony and balance with all life. It's time for us to honor our divinity, to live here in joy. It's time to return to the ways of the heart, remembering our commonalities, and return to live in communities that empower and support each other. Returning to the knowing we are one family in many beautiful designs. We are stronger together and brighter, just like bright stars in the night sky. When we each shine our light and gift, the sky is filled with twinkling bright sparks. We are all weaved together, and each one of us is a magical chord within the song of humanity. I send you all my love.